Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here, new day, new cup project. I have been wanting for a while now to do an Alice in Wonderland specific tumbler. So I'm going to. And you get to watch. I got this washi tape from the Washi Tape store. Links below. This is specifically from their Alice in Wonderland collection. It is stunningly beautiful stuff. I mean, it's just gorgeous. So I'm going to put this at the top and at the bottom of our tumbler. This is a 30-ounce skinny straight. That will leave me with approximately 4.25 inches in the middle. And into that space all the way around, I have all sorts of Alice in Wonderland illustrations. Just beautiful ones that I have printed out on the Neato, a glossy printable vinyl. They are running a big sale, I believe, all the month of October. I will have the details on that below, discount codes and all that sort of thing. But if you haven't checked this stuff out yet, give it a try. The detail is amazing. And it's peel and stick. You don't have to seal it or anything. It's beautiful stuff. And it's on, the vinyl itself is white. So in this case, it wouldn't matter if this were clear. I could still put it on. It's a white cup. But I could also put it on a black cup because the sticker has a white backing. So just FYI on that. And I have my design all laid out. I have a little cheat sheet over here of how I sort of kind of want the stickers to go all the way around. But first things first, I need to get this tape on. So I'm going to start by cutting off what I need for the top, with a little overlap because I'm going to be sloppy as always. Oops. Okay, and then I'll do the same thing for the bottom. I'll just cut the same thing. Skinny straights are no taper cups, so the circumference of the top of the cup is the same as the circumference of the bottom of the cup, which is really, really, really nice for wraps of any kind. All right, let's move it this way. I do want to make sure I get it upright. So my rabbit will be going towards the top of the cup, as will Alice. And as with every wrap, the key is to start as straight as possible. I am not going to run the tape along the exact edge. I'm going to come down just a hair and start under the lip of the rim, or the lip of the cup, however you want to say that. And try and keep it straight all the way around. I'm going to try. Come on, you can do this. There we go. Looks like I started a hair off. Try again. Just a hair. Just a hair. That would be H-A-R-E. Just a hair. Okay. Close. Very, very close. All right. Not bad at all. Yay. Okay, top done. Now the bottom. All right. Okay. Now, can I line it up? Yay. Okay. Our tape is on, and now it's time to add some stickers. So first up, I am going to place my Alice sticker. This is not exactly in chronological order. While I'd like to have made it that way, it's really not. I am probably going to overlap the tape at times. I'd like Alice to sort of be here. I've opted to double this one up. I wonder if I should move that one up there first. Let's see if I can. Okay. All right, I'm actually kind of happy with this. I wasn't sure at first, and I know the blues don't match the tape and the blue that's in the graphics, at least not entirely. This one's not bad. But you know what? I think that's kind of cool. I need to overseal this because I'm an oversealer, and this is just driving me nuts thinking about going straight to resin here. So I am going to spray the entire thing a couple of times, maybe even 3, with Rust-Oleum 2X matte spray. And then I'll bring you guys back and we will put some resin on this baby. So stay tuned. Recording. I love how this cup turned out. I realize some folks may think it's too busy. Some folks may not like the contrast between the relatively modern design of the washi tape and the vintage designs from the original story. I think it works really well together. And as I've been trying to stress lately in some of my videos, 99% of cup making is personal preference. So for me, this is fantastic. I absolutely love it. And you know, even if you're not an Alice in Wonderland fan, maybe it'll give somebody an idea of how to combine washi and printable vinyl stickers and come up with a really cool looking cup of a totally different theme. Because there's a lot of artwork out there you can use. Thank you so much, everyone. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.